Welcome to our guide on selling digital products on Telegram. Today, we'll explore vital steps to get you started. First things first, identifying your niche and target audience is crucial. Who will benefit from your products? Next, let's focus on creating quality digital products like ebooks, courses, and more that cater to your audience's needs. Now, let's set up your Telegram channel or group for sales. It's important to create a space that's both informative and engaging. Using Telegram bots can streamline your sales process. Let's dive into automation for better efficiency. Effective marketing strategies are key to driving sales. We'll look at various ways to promote your products on Telegram. Engagement is everything. Build a community around your products to foster loyalty and interaction. Understanding payment processing options is crucial for smooth transactions. Let's explore what's available to you. Before you start selling, it's essential to consider legal aspects like copyright and compliance to protect your business. You are now equipped with the knowledge to start selling digital products on Telegram. Good luck on your journey to success.